Hi, I'm Christina Riley. I work at Balfour Beatty. I'm a senior planning engineer. I've been at Balfour Beatty for 3 years now, and I've been an engineer for 20 years. Okay, my experiences of being transgender in the engineering profession, and particularly in construction, has been really positive. Luckily, I had the opportunity to come out at Balfour Beatty due to their LGBT staff network. And it has been really a positive experience. I've found that I was fully supported by my line managers and senior directors, and the experience has just been one that has empowered me to be who I am and to do my job and just to carry on as before. So I joined Balfour Beatty in 2013, and I always knew that I was, I'd known I was transgender for the previous 15 years. And I've always thought that within construction, within engineering, that it'd never actually be possible to come out at work. I was always searching for ideas on how can I tell my boss, how can I tell my line manager, moving from project to project, how's that going to work, how's it just all going to come about. And then at Balfour Beatty back in March 2014, the launch of the LGBT network allowed me to basically put my hand up and speak to somebody in confidence in HR and actually talk about my plans to transition in the workplace. And this was fully supported at the time. We put a plan in place over the next 6 months, which allowed my directors to prepare for my transition, gave me a chance to obviously prepare myself, sort out how, my presentation at work, my clothing and appearance, and just my confidence really. And then we set a date in October 13th actually, and that date was my coming out day at work, and I turned up at work on that particular day, and I was as nervous as I could be. It was absolutely terrifying for me personally that particular day. I was terrified of what my colleagues were going to say. I was terrified of walking down every single corridor, turning every corner of the office. I'd bump into somebody that knew me, and for the first time they would see me as Christina. So I was really quite sort of stressed with over that period of time. And but I soon found within a week or 2 weeks actually I had nothing to fear. All the colleagues were very supportive. I had so much support from the people around me, from my line managers. And in particular, what surprised me most was going out onto building sites, onto the construction sites with the subcontractors, that actually I was just treated as a normal person. I was just doing my job to the best of my ability as I did before, and actually it was quite a seamless transition. So in my experience it's been really positive, and the Balfour Beatty network has just really supported me in doing it. For me, the most challenging part of being transgender was actually my own fear. The whole fear of coming out at work is such a huge level of stress for any transgender person or even an LGBT person, that it's the inner feelings that is the biggest challenge. It can have such a detrimental effect on your health, on your mental health, which then affects your performance at work. So being able to come out in the workplace in an environment that is safe, that is supportive, that is empowering for you to continue your career, really does give you great opportunities. My advice to other transgender employees in the profession is to not to give up hope, to look for LGBT networks like InterEngineering, which really do offer a superb support service.